Greetings traders, I'm getting in late today. It's Wednesday. I'm just looking for a trade. I took one just now. I've just taken the first code 1 entry since the very top it just made, right there, the very top. I just took the first code 1 short entry that it just made, and I'm looking to catch the top here. Right back. So anyway, what I'm trying to do is catch the top here on the daily. This is how it's done, right here. Okay, I now have two code 1 short entries in place. So two code 1 short entries are now in place. I took the first one, just got another signal. And that's a good sign. Good sign. It's going to start to come down here now. I am, however, going to back off to a 30 tick exit. Okay, 30 ticks in place. Okay, starting to head down here a little bit. Okay, it's starting to move down here. My exit is set for 30 ticks at 70.94. I think it should be able to make it. Anyway, I'll come back. This is, by the way, all I did was use the technique of doing the first code 1 short entry that came from the top of the daily to catch it. And you know, that's one way that you can use the code 1 right there. And it looks like there's a good chance that I have caught it. Anyway, I'll come back. Okay, the trade made it down to the exit. Shooting back up right there. But anyway, it did come down a bit right there. And that is how you catch the top on a daily. And all I did was use a very simple technique where I took the first code 1 short entry off the very top. And if it was going to go higher, for instance, I probably would have got a code 1 long entry. Instead, it was right at the top, or real close to it, and it was giving a code 1 short entry. And I didn't have any other trade. I didn't have a code 2 trade because I missed the news today. And so I just decided to go ahead and take it. But that's how simple you can use a code 1 entries for many different things, that being one of them right there, is catching a top on a daily chart. Anyway, I'm going to get going. It's really late here now. What time is it? It's 1:30 in the morning. So I am gonna go to sleep, and I'll be back tomorrow to do some more trading. I'll do the charting for today and predict the trade for Thursday. And I hope all of you charting members are doing well, except for I was looking over the chart. It didn't look very good today for the Newsday entry, but let me chart it out and see what it actually looks like. It didn't look like it moved very much to me. Anyway, I will be back tomorrow. Happy trading out there, traders.